Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. A lot of people have this query that how can they make money with credit card? How can they utilize the credit card in a positive way in order to improve their lifestyle, in order to improve their standard of living and in order to improve their sources of income? Well, credit card is indeed one of the most intelligent inventions ever made by mankind, but sadly not a lot of people understand the significance of a credit card and how to use it properly, and they end up getting in the debt trap. But what if I tell you that if at all you use it properly, if at all you use it religiously, and if at all you use it smartly, you'll be able to do a lot of better things in your entire credit portfolio, and eventually you'll be also able to become a better version of yourself. Well, in this video, we'll crack the details of a credit card and understand how can we use it better in order to become a better credit worthy person. So without a further ado, let's get straight to the point. So before you take up a credit card, you need to ask yourself a question that why do you need a credit card? What are the reasons that are motivating you to take up a credit card? Are you taking a credit card just because your friends also have a credit card, or you're taking a credit card because you feel that your current income, it can be your salary, it can be your freelance income, it can be your business income, is not sufficient enough to take care of your monthly expenses? And if at all that is the reason for you to take a credit card, then that is not a wise reason. That is not a wise decision. In fact, a lot of people make this mistake. They already have limited sources of income and they have a lot of expenses, and to take care of that expenses, they take another additional loans in order to take care of that particular thing, which is not the right approach. You should ideally try to cut down existing expenses in order to become a much more financially stable person. But people do not do that. They end up doing the wrong thing, which is basically taking up loans, and eventually they end up putting themselves in a lot of loan burden. So let's not do that. Let's first understand the fact that why do we need a credit card. A lot of people also take up a credit card just because they want to improve their credit score, because they want to apply for a loan in the near future. So if at all that is your purpose, then keep watching the video, because I'll tell you how can you make the most of that particular requirement and how can you improve your credit score using the credit card. The second thing that you have to do is that you need to make a proper budget, and planning is the key when it comes to using a credit card. A lot of times people do not have a track of their budget, because making a budget and keeping a track of the budget is extremely boring process. Every day sitting down and keeping a note of whatever the things that you have bought or purchased and whatever the things that you have spent, whatever the income that you have generated in that particular day, which is a little boring process. But if at all you do it properly, if at all you keep a track of at least your 2 or 3 months of expenses, and if at all you have somehow maintained a budget for at least 2 or 3 months, then you'll be able to get a clearer picture as to what is your total income and what is the total expenses. And if at all you have any kind of unnecessary expenses that you can cut off, or you can probably get rid of, if at all you are able to do that, then eventually your entire need of having a credit card will be disappeared. So if at all you are able to do this particular process, if at all you are somehow able to manage this particular practice, then eventually you will be able to become a much more better money wise and pound wiser person. And now that you have finally figured out that yes, you want a credit card, the third thing that you have to do is that you need to understand what kind of a credit card will complement your budget, your lifestyle. There are different kind of credit card which are suitable for different kind of people. Some people use credit card just because they shop a lot. Some people use credit card because they travel a lot. Some people use credit card because they have a lot of fuel requirements, and some use it because they want to enjoy the rewards. So we have made a dedicated video on this particular topic also, which I'll leave the link of this in the description box. You can check that video also later. But for now, let's understand what are the basic things that are motivating you to take a credit card and what kind of a lifestyle that you have. You need to have a track of that. You need to keep a basic understanding of that particular thing, because a lot of people, if at all your work demands you to travel a lot, then some people use a credit card just to get more air miles, and eventually they can use that while they are purchasing the new air tickets. And some people also are into maybe transport business, and to utilize the rewards of the fuel pump, they use that particular kind of credit card. So you should first understand, why are you taking a credit card? Are you taking a credit card just because you want to probably enjoy the rewards, or if at all you are just taking care of your basic expenses? And accordingly choose the right kind of credit card, and then go for the one that is the best for you, and don't go for the one which probably your friends are using or maybe your colleagues are using, because fingers are different and 5 fingers function differently. So you need to understand that the kind of credit card that they are using might not be the most suitable for you. So figure out, research, talk to a lot of people about it. Download the Financial Freedom app, because we have made several courses about it, which will help you understand better about the right kind of credit card. The next thing that you can do is that you need to pay your bills on time. A lot of times it happens that people do not pay their bills properly and they end up getting into the debt trap. And let's not do that. Let's try and keep a tab of your bill. You can probably set reminders in your phone. You can download apps like Cred and maybe reminders, or maybe put some reminders in your calendar. And whatever basic expenses that you have which are probably recurring in nature, it can be your rent, it can be your Wi-Fi bill, it can be your fuel expenses, it can be any other such bill which are regular in nature. Try and pay those bills using a credit card, and try and save your cash, because you'll be able to use your cash for your emergency purposes, and you can use your credit worthiness in order to take care of all these bills, and eventually your credit score will improve, which will in future help you to probably negotiate a better deal with the bank whenever you're going out to take a loan. It can be a home loan, it can be a car loan, it can be a business loan. So if at all your credit score is good, you'll be able to be in a position where you can negotiate and crack a better deal with your financial institution. And last but definitely not the least, the one thing that you can do with yourself is that you need to ensure that you pay for your big expenses using a credit card. Now, big expenses means expenses like buying a bike, buying a new laptop, buying a new phone, or probably something which is like a little more than your regular expenses. If at all there are certain expenses which probably come once in every 3 months, or maybe during some festivals, or maybe during some occasions. If at all you're buying some jewelry for your family members, then in that case you can use a credit card, because expenses of that scale will help you become a much more credit worthy person. And if at all in future also you want to apply for another credit card, or probably maybe you want to apply for a bank loan, or maybe you want to apply for any kind of other extra benefits from your respective bank, then you'll be able to crack a better deal with the bank also, because banks also will understand the fact that this person's spending capacity is more, and he is also paying his dues on time, which means the banks will also be confident to give more loan to you, or maybe give more overdraft facility to you, and eventually you'll be able to use those particular funds, those particular benefits in your respective financial portfolio. You can use that money to improve your credit score. You can use that money in your business. You can use that money to probably purchase some new things which you want, and eventually you'll be able to become much more money wiser and prosperous person. So like this, if you want to learn more about personal finance, career building, farming and business, please don't forget to download the Financial Freedom app. The link of this app is provided in the description box, where you can learn about personal finance, career building, farming and business. And if at all you download it today and use my promo code, which is Fayaz, you'll be able to get a benefit of up to rupees 2,000, the scholarship up to rupees 2,000, absolutely free. So more details about it are in the app, and don't forget to download the app and let us know your thoughts about this particular video. Leave your feedbacks in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well. Until next time, my name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.